I found popcorn chicken for 89 pesos and turned it into this meal. It's the weekend, and the weather has been pretty gloomy lately. I wasn't really in the mood to cook anything complicated, but I still wanted something comforting at home. So I ended up putting together a simple meal using what I had. For the salad, I started by shredding some cabbage, then washing it and setting it aside. I like using cabbage like this because it makes the meal feel a bit fresher and lighter. Then I made a quick sesame dressing. I started with roasted sesame seeds. Then added mayo, soy sauce, vinegar, sesame oil, and sugar. I mixed everything together until it turned into a creamy sesame dressing. After that, I prefer an instant gravy mix. Just added hot water, mix it well, and set it aside. Then I fried the popcorn chicken until it was crispy and golden. It actually turned out really good, perfect for a quick weekend meal like this. After everything was ready, I assembled the plate with rice, the chicken, and the cabbage on the side. I like meals like this because you don't really need anything fancy. Just simple food that comes together easily, especially on slow days like this. And honestly, the combination of crispy chicken, rice, cabbage, and a bit of gravy just hits differently. Nothing fancy, just good food and a little comfort. How about you? What's your favorite lazy weekend meal?